Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about creating a permission set group in Salesforce. So first let's understand what is this permission set group in Salesforce. So in Salesforce the permission set group is nothing but a feature that allows to assign a multiple permission set to user or a group of users that are having a different roles in the organizations. And we can also create this permission set group in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic Edition. So first let's move ahead and see the process of creating a permission group set in Salesforce Lightning. So right now I am on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, and here in the quick find box search for the permission set groups, and now click on this permission set groups, and in this window click on this button new permission set group. And now in this window we have to enter the label, API name and description for the permission set group. So I've entered the label as a authorized user group, and the API name will be autofilled according to the entered label, and description is optional that you have to enter or not. So I have entered description as permission set for authorized users. Now click on the save button. Now the group is created. Now we will manage the permission set in this group, and for that in the section permission sets we will click on this permission sets in group, and here in this window click on the button add permission set, and in this window you can see these are the permission sets that are available in this org, and from here you have to select the permission sets. So I've selected the required permission sets, and now click on this add button. And as we click on the add button you can see this success message is showing on the screen with the 7 permission sets are added. So now with the help of these 7 permission sets we have created a group permission set, and in last click on this done button. So now we have successfully created a permission set group with the name authorized user group, and you can also add more permission set with the help of this add permission set button. So this is how we create a permission set group in Salesforce Lightning. So let's move ahead and see the same process of creating a permission set group in Salesforce Classic. So right now I'm on the home page of Salesforce Classic, and here in the click on this setup tab, and in the setup window go to this quick find box and search for the permission set groups, and under the heading manage users click on this permission set groups, and in this window we have to click on this button new permission set group. And now in this window, we have to enter the label and the API name for the permission set group. So I have randomly named this permission set group as opportunity management group. And the API name will be generated according to the entered label field. And description is optional to enter. And now click on the save button. As we click on the save button, the permission set group will be created. And now we have to add permission set in this group. So in the section permission sets, click on this permission sets in group. And in this window, click on this button add permission set. And now you can see a list of permission set available in the org. So select the permission sets. And after selecting the permission set, click on this add button. And as we click on the add button, this permission set group will be created, and these are the permission set which are included in this permission set group. And in last click on this done button. So now we have successfully created this permission set group in Salesforce Classic, and now from here you can also add more permission set to this group, or you can also remove some permission set from this group with the help of this add permission set and remove permission sets button. So this is how we create a permission set group in Salesforce Classic. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.